Residential market analysis in highest and best use, book ending quiz, questions 11 on up continued. This one's an easy one. The principle of balance is most closely related to the following principle, blank. A, conformity. B, anticipation. C, externalities. Or D, supply and demand. The answer is D, supply and demand. Number 12. Which highest and best use criterion would require an appraiser to consider CC&Rs? A, physically possible. B, legally permissible. C, financially feasible. Or D, maximally productive. The answer is B, legally permissible. And that was an easier one. Number 13. This is an easier one. Layout and floor plans can be the cause of which kind of obsolescence? A, functional. B, physical. C, external. Or D, economic. The answer is A, functional. Number 14. This is a hard one. A community's total employment is 77,700. The number of total core industry employees is 55,500. For every 10 jobs added in the core industry, how many additional jobs will be generated in the community? A, 14. B, 10. C, 6. Or D, 4. The answer is D, 4. Number 15. This is a hard one. Which principle works in conjunction with the principle of change, but quantifies the rate and character of the change involved, inclining and declining periods? A, externalities. B, balance. C, inclining and declining periods. Or D, anticipation. The answer is C, inclining and declining periods. Number 16. When appraisers survey the market during a feasibility analysis, they rely primarily on blank. A, general data. B, specific data. C, primary data. Or D, assessment data. The answer is A, general data. Number 17. Which type of system acts as both a heating system and an air conditioning system? A, dual. B, heat pump. C, solar PV. Or D, radiant. This is a hard one. The answer is B, heat pump, which kind of doesn't make sense, but that's what the answer was. Number 18. What type of value typically does not include the value for the land? A. Book value. B. Insurance value. C. Going concern value. Or D. Market value. The answer is B. Insurance value. And that was an easier one. Number 19. This is an easier one. The information extracted and used in the assignment will be compared to various verifiable data sources to ensure it's blank. A. Compatibility. B. Utility. C. Credibility. Or D. Applicability. The answer is C. Credibility. Number 20. The ability of market participants to purchase a property is called blank. A. Economic purchasing power. B. Effective purchasing power. C. Mortgageability. Or D. Loan to value ratio. This is an easier one. The answer is B. Effective purchasing power. Number 21. An exterior inspection of a single-story residential property indicates a gross living area of 1,600 square feet. An interior inspection reveals an entry foyer of 410 square feet and a 10-foot by 12-foot unfinished storage area not accessible from the interior of the house. The GLA of the home is blank. A. 1,070 square feet. B. 1,480 square feet. C. 1,510 square feet. Or D. 1,600 square feet. This is a hard one. The answer is B. 1,480 square feet.